is serious. Next caller. Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, good afternoon.
Me pacho bibia boko de.
Nyamia do me Ofie Kwanso.
Me pacho men come baby afri member di me problem na won na catch them. Ono aya ma ode atu. Mami lo wale mami. Hello.
Good morning. Good afternoon.
Hey Bema. Boko de.
Pastor Nyamiadom.
O radio no dum why dum radio no na my feedback dum no na nkasa. Why?
Okay. Pastor okay.
Yeah, it's you.
Okay. The problem is me are kakra for almost 1 year.
Oh, I free radio no cry. Why?
Okay.
Film crowd if you cry.
Is it okay? Pastor okay.
Still my you be feedback kakra bi ni ade.
Okay. Hello.
Let's manage it.
There 1 year me who shut down family na me dey call hospital you problem ko. If you me say you say una ya oya. E dey tia ban say hu mu asem ana.
Your nine na ya oya.
Me nine.
E na mo dey call hospital sa mu anu yi on.
Yeah.
It you say no ya adwin say enye physical by spiritual.
Yes.
Okay. Why? Masunkura mi adi kun adwin. But you see problems been more on one here. Obedrin be yo say utanfu bi na e what? Anyway, menko we counselor bebem. Yamfa next caller. Hello. Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Me patrol you.
Me patrol. Na me name is University. Before you go okofa ba de. I only know ba. It's a menino for our. Na awon yam man. But anytime they have a facola na basic no. Or the acolan make or cut down hole. Last because facolan said because darling. The man be shimacolan Philip means something of family so far. Mammy family time next facolan. It's a me.
Na one ne wo ho a mo ba be ware e na ofa ho ne saa oba kon ko ware ana one ne ko wo ye ana na one oba na wo dadansa na obe ware o
na me ne wo ho na ofa ho ne oba na wo
mo boabo mo abe ware no
basta
e na ko fa oba foforo no ene ne wo ye but still na wo no ware o
basta
na sisi asa oba foforo no guso no no o de
ani de minti ba Obano be full demand so of friends so omukwa on service and I go or semester
not just constantly omubonko kama
and
na o de akola ne ba fie na say o de akola ne ba fie na o ne akola na koda ho na o waja o bedroom ho
pata
na o yes o kudware akola na no abeji ne ba say o no abe na de
ono po anjala o de akola ne face up and so family ba akola ne
yo mini ayate wasem no why Hello,
good afternoon.
Afternoon, Pacho,
Pacho Nankupado.
All right, Pacho, Yeti was a
Pacho, me worry 20 years ago. Na, me worry, no, na, me woye, na, Kolani woye. The following year, me sound woye, a Kolani sound woye. 4 years later, hello.
Me Pacho, Yeti.
4 years later, and I, Mikuni, Ubiko woye. Only me pan call no 14 years later and I'm in your year. So when I got pregnant I left the country
free. I'm call outside.
Hello.
Hello. Yes.
Meba. Line breaky. Jina ye kakra na ehya asem na se na kan yi man why.
Hello.
Me pacho jina ye na ehya wa asem na se.
But me break for the past 1 month and so na me now.
You.
I'm not getting it.
Oh my goodness. Sorry, African. Can you do something and get her for us? Also, I bring more than bear 1 month. You mean you na and then so unya still had akatis. Too bad. But the line was very terrible. Just some no can cry my minty. Young fan next one. Hello. Sorry. Young fan for. Hello. Hello. Wow. African food before. Me pacho se mo fra on. Aya mundum mu radio no man why. No krenya me ni heading pa ya pa se headphone we shoot is na e bogu asum kwen za why esrem bebre. Esan so ayenti asem na wo kan po. Hello.
Yeah, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, design.
I'm Admo.
Me pacho yet you.
Pacho media. Masen like me ejuma baby. Now brown or person me or person me have your affair. And I'm see anything like the mini ubi bon komokra nani buefu. The my nothing was wakosuma ubi se omunko kanche sister bi kunu se mimi ni kunu trim time omun bra no be boom. Adeni sueni it's my name na no can family this way. I mean, say, be a person may have your affair now, me see the thing. Anything on yes, and then you mean,
oh yeah, what you penny?
I sure there be.
Chimu yeka catch or wine.
Like, oh yeah, manager or one by only a human in any dear.
But or your boss, sanity at the office. And now also appeal.
I not miss you there.
And now see there.
Winnie,
where the I?
Actually, 22. I miss you, Obi Kunis, me, pet. It's a minute, then I want to say.
A honor problem, so I am married man, no pill, naka 22 days. They say, baby, a boo o'clock 20 no more worried that Dana. I beat and I do there. A young she say, no, I am married man, it won't pass on in the base, I don't know, swing sister. And because of so
only like only bow only suma so munko kanche obi a wawari say menini kunu trim painting like this and bra number boom I didn't swing
who want prenafede the ono de tools no
Pasha mo just me who brand krana ni bui for me say me tam be bimbo no because obi kunu de me
I say we video. Anyway, it but who so know what you more.
Acha. My me bo penny na manika penny ni beka en so still. Oh yes, dear.
O catch a modum penny pa.
Acha.
I'm on na kasa so still go so yes,
Acha. And the crowd catch me say. Mimbe just kana me koto cream na me be twitwin. Ni man na me catch say.
Be twitwin dey.
Me twitwin koto man.
Hey. Yeah, why? Councillor Bebo. Go for you. African trigger.
And describe your powers.
Yeah, African, and Obi was that. Okay, they also know Fanebra. Now we meant for be why. Now my councillor member. Hello.
Hello, yeah, Patrolman, I'm afraid not line on your feet.
Great.
So what happened was that my wife for about 20 years. I had a child when we got married. I lost the child. I had a second child. I lost the child. And my husband, a girl, be called 14 years later, I got pregnant again. Then I left the country to Europe. When I left the country, I had say my husband called a girl me buy their channel. But man who me before I just don't want to see him. Because I had said he's still cheating on me with that same person. I'm trying to forgive him, but I can't. That is the problem I have now. Hello.
Okofa obano wabra na wa na utu kwan okofa no.
Onene wo ye. Hey man, I'm finding it difficult to get another child after losing 2 children. No. When I was trying to get pregnant, I forgave him.
Enti meba o onennyum keke ana onena wo.
Onena wo.
Enti akola no wo.
Akola no we running chain. But when I left the country, me say okotna e rabani fie.
Wow.
He left his house and went and lived with the girl. And I'm trying hard to forgive him, but because maybe because I never expected that he can even see the nakedness of another woman. It's difficult for me to forgive him. Hello. Yeah,
yate wasem no anti. You be my counselor hwe ama why?
Thank you. Yeah, okay, thank you.
So much. Many people wonder why. Many people asking me why you love me so much. Many people wonder why. Many people asking me why you love me so much. Many people wonder why you love me so much. You are good, you are kind, testify, you are great, testify. I testify. You are good to me. You are kind, you are good to me. You are great, testify. You are so good, testify. You are so great, that's why I testify. You are great, testify.
Sada. Where Mami Brago featuring brother Sammy, and just gone by was Testified by Ohima Messi. 3 more minutes to 4. Councillor Oscar Sripi Ewo Ahomanoso. Obeshe na weyi ensemi ano amaye. Councillor, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Nyame adumu eneso ode ache. Right. Ye gidi se won so ho ye. Okay, Councillor number 1.
Before we call number 1, me number 5. Okay. Get because to be your uncle cream and Johnny.
I know that.
And the old Johnny.
Yes, you.
Oh, you know, I became poor. On some book.
And some more papa.
Be our worry to office.
Yeah, some
two at the office with Johnny Rufi. So we got a cream. No, Babayan Quasia, dear man.
Yeah, some more.
On my own, I do. Also, Obi, possibly a Sunday or sorry.
And yes, how can you?
Oh, yes, I may do on with the answers never. Okay, with you.
All right. So, first one, Mammy Chese. On any crew na problems you can cry iti enamsoma uja ware no na enu achi ne be ma no na e ma mi nu so kwa na atena so still I be aniwa ekoyi na one ne woba girl as say when you obese 19 years there about now na say ya no ne bana ba be catch and say ohwe ne papa life said the name ekona she's the only one obetimi amani papa brabo no akoyi amani to opa ne cho say on sign bra no ne niku ne papa ne metna na enkrofo binum so papa ndi atoto enkrofo binum nso animu ama omo so abeka the same thing a chem but ono so say the way abema ni chiti on here sometime past 19 no ama on she den ni do ma abema ni BMCC na currently kwa no abema foforo so eguso ne kasa asa abema no so aye ready senka unyaye obewae no na de ne bana kan so ntina ma ohu se de onye ne papa sa ohu anamo wa wotu fam
me that's you. Don't a woman can say or no papa ni biu.
Yeah.
Then koye say or ware papa ni biu because of the ban. Because eventually if anybody feel no ko ware then what happens to that marriage? Because already no. Oni na tina ama papa ni mami nu akọ na ko akuchia obi akuchia awa back. And na banu na kasa o. And your papa and Catana would do be a wouldn't know. And would do one see you at the end of me and no factor me. Be a man, my name ye in the factor me. Fast in a pan and I'll see you. They will me papa channel. Open a bit me a warren one who better me. It means that the man and Catani papa and Catano he has not accepted to a heavy money.
Yeah.
Say if papa no buy a different. But the Conan is a banisi you. Una obe warin papa na ho betonwa. I am saying the woman nankasa can say on no view. It is so forcing no ko warin papa ni view because of the banwa. Na ni bani fifi along the line now. Then what happens to that marriage? Because the bani only won't try forever. She's along the line going to leave. And when she leaves, and the woman says that papa no min do no view. Or those who are very important about our warrior. So what is going to keep the marriage? Say Lebano and all consider no the wife papa no anybody feel and never come to now. How is he going to handle the marriage? So for me, only one of the things that me advise you be so warrior. But we are now warrior. There's no marriage.
Yeah.
There's no marriage. And once there's no marriage, one can worry because of what the daughter is saying, because I'm saying say along the line the bandit you. Say yes, say woman and kata say me drop a panel. But be I didn't know and no there you bring in counselors who can sit the two of them down and talk to them. Now they are channel and then they can move on. But the woman is saying that papa women don't, but because of the banwa can you don't marry because you become baby. You marry because you will be a open as a don't between our for me, so please don't mean papa worry you more. On money banning to say yes, oh yeah, but along the line, no 50 years, men and papa will be play fee. And mean to me no papa, and because mean to me don't know. There's no way between our worry.
Okay.
Don't marry because you be can't be. Don't force yourself into marriage because somebody is saying baby, and don't allow anybody to force you into any marriage. Because when you go into that marriage and there's a problem, they will not be there. Don't say, my do baby and money no mukwa, but the can't janone or mommy. The two of you know, our in you are, then when if you fear, they be able to have problems.
Yeah.
Because of me money. So, madam, so please don't papa need you more. Move on with your life. Not because what your daughter is saying. In any case, no. Papa nankasa nyam on no be catch ma me say me numi from born kem na me ware. But be as you ne banu na ko obi na kan send to and fro ofia no akora se kan say o de couple bi na your company chon because ni bufu. But I'm saying so when the daughter leaves, what happens? So on don't be mu dia because love is part of the basis for marriage. Likeness and love. Say me pobia sem and along the line my badomi. Before be why no so put ni panasem.
Sure.
You can ask them and along the line, but then she's don't know how they are when they move on with your life.
Yeah.
Because I worry anyhow. We are now worrying me go, I worry be any woman go, and you go man start to me friends go. But we are already anyhow. But because of the daughter and into no cancer. But I'm saying you don't marry because of that. So yes, sir. If I know ni ho na ko say akoy conditional marriage na why say why ni sa
all right okay second problem no papa no say ni nine like our problem with the leg na what they are call hospital but but now no na adwendwen or ya enya adwen bi say bia na de no hunhumu ade bia na enye physical.
The first question is, of course, doctors, what is the report? We want to know. To be a hospital, no, doctor, the CEO, and they're different. Because of course, not doctor CEO. At the end of the day, wushy beer. Sometimes doctors need to advise you say, the beer didn't do no. It might be spiritual. And you can beer or tissues in your masia. No. But so come to me said when then you know say BBC na hear me any medication no the mommy but so come no bibia no mun can change there then you can say you so there but one can say you know you cannot just jump to the conclusion say so there
okay
because one can't just say doctors can say say but on one can feel say they have a so there. They should be looking for spiritual solution. If you have physical problems, you look for physical solution. If you have spiritual problems, you look for spiritual problems. If it's on one he said you all go through a spiritual problem, and then you should look for spiritual solution.
Okay, great. Now, they do also know. I say, Nukunu ene obafufro ewoy. Ansana wabra no mo prepare so mo be ware no na one obafufro ekonyim a chese one no awoba na omo so betna ye no omo enwo ba ni biye na ewumu a ni kunu timi kofa abofrande ne ba fio anytime ode abofrande be ba fio no one akola be kwa akoda o living room na waje ono oba na to bedroom na chese onya ade one ne wife ne beda one ne ba ne beda na there's been times kwa say akola no kwa ba no pese ofa akola no ku dry na oye bibi kwa no abehwim akola na fini nsem se ono abekwa akoye na ade ne ade
very asem we no two dimensions also see before mbe ware no before mbe ware no na oni obi konyim ye but omo tua se no do ware ye but omo ware wie no awomba. So that's one. Now to the extent say okofa akwara no be fio a no nya akwara ne da ho na onu da bedroom or the circle akoka akwara papa ne say da bi
osan kra say what say ayana ohun say be man ne oba no like constantly omo bon komo anopa anwumre ne ade wi okra otimi ye piu ye kokru mu like you know those things.
That's the other woman on the way.
Yeah.
The woman I'm sorry. When me am rewo mpaibo mu a. Sorry. Awa epa wo pa on wubi o. Yes. I'm saying that because papa ni obi ni and somewhere. As long as my many you see, I'm saying this because of the behavior of the papa.
Yeah.
Think I'm on my many opportunity, another freedom to be with a small boy and another Kolanoa, and a different matter. Now, say, Mammy, I'm sorry, you and Dina who went to one pound war. And Kakan, go on, you go back and go marry the woman on a way. Because you see, because of a Koranoni, Nipane Bonkomo.
Yeah.
Papa is making mistakes because you find a woman in way. And now, Woba. So, don't Nipano and Nakorani Befia. Also, to me, allow my minute according to free because me really a ban on way. In any case, who are Quarano and Sana Mowai to know, say, she can give birth or not, unless they were having sex and all those things. And he knew that woman into me. But say no only not only be a worry I walk over before the worry panel. You are the one who's supposed to encourage her because you know a ban worst case are over.
Yeah.
No only bow. It's only one of us to be comforting. No in the cata so you don't worry because at the end of the day no you may be But to the extent that the only background could be seen, no man, whatever, no person based on the no need the ha, no yes, no mammy on any way, and it's the move bon commonia dear. What you are saying is that the banana won't come into the bounty. It's a mamma sorry in Yambre, no engineer me, then a money bar, or the Otiosa, doing one of a panaco while mamma now in our ban, because they are even communicating, they are doing everything because of a Korana woman. You see, a war sometimes delays. The woman should not give up. Somewhere, they don't want to delay. John the Baptist, never want to delay. So, some of these things sometimes happen. Isaac, never want to delay. And not just say that's the end of the person. And think a husband who knows also to comfort him, because the money back cry is different. Only in the fine. But who about with you? So let that one comfort you so that you can comfort the woman. But say the way all treating mamma, madam, don't worry. A bad thing, children are a gift from God. On course, non vinamindi. Not more time, Quadano, because of the behavior of the father. One time, loud be our person show my Quadano show. Even if the father rejects that, I know that along the line. On her behalf.
Okay. All right. Next one here. The Okoto cream. Never say you're in there. The major amount now.
Yes. Yeah, that may do 1 hour. And no more cost offices.
To our office cream there. So now.
They didn't know you. If you mean one day, I they do cream, I was in Minty.
How they chairman do that?
Now, maybe don't cream. You see, again, again, it's why reporting a money boss or moving overall boss. And on in a casa.
Yeah.
And after, oh, yes, I did. Uncle back to the overall boss. Don't catch me say a seminar of Becca no. Guy in the still, yes, sir. This is sexual harassment. This one is sexual harassment in office.
Yeah.
And a lot of things are going on. Because of that corner, or say Nipani recommending for promotion on yes, sir.
What transfer?
Or say they won't do it because they are looking for sexual favors. That guy should bow down his head in shame. And all those young people, men, money, man, almost offices, and they want to sexual favors. And it because of young family, they will sit on people's promotion in San Yomano to the extent that that man who has a wife goes around there, what the lady is saying, fabricating stories. Yes, it's a good animal. The next time I'll be Ben with that nonsense, me, Oscar Silvi, me some bonus. I repeat. Yes. The next time I'll be Ben with your mouth, San Quasia Seminole, San Coto Crimomer Sadeno, or Monasum, any public way. No, BNB say, why is this thing happening? But for the meantime, Uncle back to the boss. No, Uncle Kacheni says, this is what is happening. My Becca one at all. Guy is still, or yes, sir. Said, guy in area. Uncle Kacheni says, this is what your husband is doing in the office. And I said, Ebeko Konadian can go through. Because, on only Nam Kachan Kofo say, guy in the person Jew Bikuni. Na omumbra no mbebugeno eneza
yeah
onu so hwehwe de bia na yerete no go catch na yere say this your husband is demanding sex from me and because I refuse it this is what he's doing no share this space with you
okay
this is what is happening and a lot of them are hiding in the offices obi wa ko bi pejuma ti so na dancer o pe we ati so ye say give me special favors obi wo ha your ba or your penny or person obi ni da young guy being in the office answer. We cannot tolerate this nonsense. Oh yeah, na primo. Me man, omo di ombra do me fen. Na nsia o. Na me anka me ko hu sa I'll go to that guy and ask him say, "Oh no, tell no yet and kwasi ade na na." Because he kwasi ade pa. And it is happening. People cannot be promoted because somebody says, "Give me sex." People are demanding sex as favors for promotion and for financial support. because only the office because you're the boss. Okokacha overall boss no. Na guy no feel yes I na. Me feel the class I didn't know yes ah. Omo who said you mempe. So we not bonus bonus. And that's so the umbra do me. No me kata no na so and so. Because the last season of every month, you know. Never house.
Okay.
So to me, prove it to themselves, no guy yes I didn't. I'll go to that guy. We have to stop this thing from happening. Meanwhile, Sanipa will know. Be a Sunday square. Of course, I saw penny. If you have not given that, what's your issue with somebody or non baby? This young lady has done very well. I'm happy that we have young ladies like that. They can stand on their feet and say no to certain things. Young lady, you have done very well. Don't give your body to that guy. Let him go back to his wife. If he continues on that line, come to Adumef in the last season of every month. I'll be there. And I'll go and see that guy and tell him to the face. We cannot tolerate these things again. Don't come and frustrate somebody in office because you're looking for sex. No. All office no be on the team now. Young lady, you have done very well.
All right.
Keep on.
Okay.
Put your 2 feet on the ground and let that guy know that your body is not for sale. Some of them at your office, some of them will be losing, you know. No, that. They say, man, who to office or so, or being got to clean over there. Now go find the ball in channel. But I'm saying, sir, the young lady in the junior, the next time that guy does that nonsense, slap him. Now, no, be a maybe and they bring in other people. Go to his wife and go and tell the wife about it. Because this is, too much. Sometimes the ladies even fortunately say, what about situations where Jumani and Panidia? And sometimes because they are afraid, you know, they give in. We don't come here for sexual favors. If they are looking for that, they are different. Don't go after anybody's husband, young lady. God bless you.
Amen. Afe yasha final one no. Oni ni kunu no aware for 20 years na oni ni di kan wo mofra too earlier. Ema omulusu mofra no mienu nyina na enum na no ni kunu kofa oba fofo ene oba no ewo na ono so etu kwan kakra. Ote se wa kwantu no obema na fi kura de wotu akwa oba no efie. Na oba en why so the beche no ne adebato otetete se obema no kra agusu ne oba agusu chiti on here with the girl now on no awon now ohun anim kura na ne buafu en like ehun abufu no such that ontimi
Tama otu kwan na okwawo na office ni kunu kotna oba na so no office or the chair no but you see this what happen. Sometimes, you know, we say they are the action until you need to around, not adding up back. What she needs is that she has to go through a process of healing. Until she goes through that process of healing, no, there'll be problems. She needs to go through a process of healing. They get a counselor. Nikuni Onumi. Then the counselor will take the two of them through a process of healing. Then there's proper forgiveness. Proper forgiveness. If the man can accept, then she goes through that process of healing. That's what a lot of people do with their channel. But along the line, they realize, I didn't miss their channel. No. Because they didn't go through a process of healing. When there's cheating in marriage, you know, when there's cheating in marriage, the partner you cheating on him or her, no, must be allowed to go through the process of healing. Must be allowed the space to know what to do with their life. But sometimes we get them, oh my worry, yes, put the better no. The more I'm on, the more I'm going to be. Madam, you need to see a counselor as soon as possible and go through a process of healing. You and your husband will meet that counselor. Now, the causes the genesis of the whole thing, you go through it. Maybe I need to hear mistakes, no more correct it. And then you give the woman opportunity to go through that process of healing with pieces of advice here and there, because then at the council, we know what to tell them. Because don't need the coffers had anybody. But what champion knows you, media channel, my yes, and you don't go through the process of healing. But you'll be feeling the pain. And as I say, you don't better, but you'll be feeling the pain. You and your husband should see a counselor. Go through a process of healing. Until you have gone through that process of healing, I'm telling you, say, they also their channel. But more Konaukai, going to Santa Cana at the bitterness Saba. But only one person in Becassa. Maybe also my YSC. Avail yourself to go through the process of healing. Now, I invite you, Kunu, anyone trust. The genesis, the cause, and Maukunkoya Sabiano. Then, proper forgiveness, that's that process go through. Once that process go through, then we know, say, yes, it's a year from the system. I'm ready for this marriage.
All right. Counselor, that's it.
Media. And I'm coming back to that lady. I want to make concluding. Nobody, young lady to Monty, don't give your body to any man because he's looking for sexual feelings. Because a new age man, one year say listen, the best of the air, I'm telling you, sometimes as a young lady, you must refuse some of these things to hold on to your dignity. Or baby, your dignity. Hey, I didn't show nothing. Or baby, them never manage your money lessons and one of them now. Yeah, then I was saying, you agree. Let's say, or baby, I didn't show nothing. I want to dignity. And you know your banner, when you down, only one, the only one offer. I don't offer because you say they've seen something and can say that in Kenya.
Yeah.
Hold on to your dignity as a woman. Sometimes also you career, you must be prepared for it. Sometimes also you must be prepared for it. Sometimes if you have to leave that job, you must be ready for it. And hold on to your dignity. If you do that, God will take care of you. And some of you don't report, you don't say anything. They just give in. You give in. No, that. It will be no problem. If any man in the office approaches you and looking for sexual favors, it doesn't matter who that person is. Tell that person to the face. They mean to me, yes, I did we. So trust her. Report that person to the appropriate authority. There are people more free. If you can report that person to the appropriate authority, say you are being harassed sexually in officer, they will come to your defense. And don't just give in. No, that. It will be no problem. And if that man uses that sexual harassment as a threat to one man that sexual favor one man that's a traitor, no matter Pamua, who are reporting, don't just sit down and accept it. Don't give your body to any man because of or more pressure because of harass you sexually. And if I don't do that, I'll lose my job. Hold on to your dignity. One day they will come, you will look back and say, it was good. I did not give my body to that man. Young lady, no cancer, no. These are the people we are looking for. Stand on your feet.
Okay. Osha also counselor that's a pirate. Just
go to Facebook and type OSCARSIRIPI. OSCARSIRIPI. It'll be my Facebook page in the world. If you episode the two will be after two. OSCARSIRIPI. Yamia Duma, is that a teaser? The last Tuesday of this month, I'm going to talk about the consequences of sleeping with people's wives. Let's get ready.
Okay.
The tour, no be ready.
Okay.
The consequences of sleeping with people's wives. In a year, will be on you be either that no. Also come back to Yami. You could be for Boniface because yeah, Bano on Vincia. OSCARSIRIPI Facebook. The last Tuesday of this month, I'll be talking about the repercussions of sleeping with people's wives. There is a good
Osha.
And man, no more how many Jariatamino. Last week, Pamcho. There is Papa Bill. Minister worry any African, but no Pamucho. Who so warm, they come to me, they tell me with him. Papa, this money on your mamma morning says, Cancer, you won't film. Young as a dating got for a dating African. Any Papa bills, any Jerry, you cut him some worry. Opa, one got to go warm. You let him in with him. I mean, she will be a trouble. And then my mom is also. And then why you have you wrong? They gave me with Papa Bill. Jerry Justice, any African, they are free. But go to them. Okay. About your minute connection, they are moving them. I miss you, be outside the also. Bye bye. Oh my goodness. Say last week obey a program. No kind of so more could did for a much no munjai and member be home why we to say Jerry Justice on why you are open all the brandy behind and can was and can you phone blast it and you remember was our friend Jerry as someone became a did grown no they will be one of them so one I can 25 minutes after 4. 106.3 FM na wasugusu autie. As that can say come on. Councillor Oscar 3P. And good afternoon going out to Prophet Joshua J. Yamini panet saying me chair where we ya fast that can say my Petra Trust. Or say, where will you be? Where would you be in the next year or in the next 5 years or maybe when you are old and gray? Say na brabone be simple acquire the amount. Shana so say it is how much control you have over your money and not how much money you have. And then boy say be able to achieve your future goals Nina. So let Petra help you to efficiently control your money through savings, investments, pensions, and they can come be brave. Now, once wait me achieving more. Call Petra today on 0242 435 037 or visit achievemore.petratrust.com. Petra, achieve more. My shepherd, Vicky Amwa, Kojak Pharma Limited. Also, Brana Beje, Kojak F and Kojak P toothpaste. After Kojak F and Kojak P mouthwash and Kojak sensitive toothbrush. Wow, dear, now dear, new pan, chilled one, and now they're hot. Now, say, Femono. Obey you to Kojak F toothpaste and mouthwash. Ebejai, or the near severe pie, you to Kojak P toothpaste and mouthwash continuously for 4 weeks later. No one switch it to Kojak F. Ebeko, open and tell one out where you to Kojak sensitive toothbrush in the account. They are available at pharmacy shops. How do you need them to do a panel? Kojak from a Chakwan or Kanshi drug lane. And now phrase 0260 870 780 and 0249 209 920. FD, I am Kratu Mushimwaja to say a correct pa. We are Ghana's Sisi Winers. What to new brutal? Or the fufu biabana African no still away. Yes, all convert you know. Vicky Amwan and you. Can it do you mana? Aaron why? We did 2016 the other the 2019 the other. All of my days shall follow me. All of my days. Guaranteed Trust Bank for a new branch or Kaswa. At the amount for Kaswan and Potem, we NAA and 34th branch. And Untino, Brana, and a Juma El Honso. All the universal banking services need to provide all the amount for or Kaswan and Potem. Yes, I'm 24-hour ATM El. Yeah, no. I accept Visa card, MasterCard, Maestro, Cyrus, as well as China Union Pay card. But means what your utility bills now, say Go TV, DSTV bills, and I say electricity, and I say water. Then I'll be to you. And you can also make payments for some selected
Airlines, as well as US visa fees. Beat me to and so Etibraka Swa branch on also enjoy exceptional banking services. For further inquiries, phrase 0577 143 200. Guaranteed Trust Bank. Would you rather bank with us? DBS Industries. Also now on my end. Chelsea Papa me their boy dinosaur. Afri boy everlasting. A board dinosaur. Several years to come. Negusu to say that and you can some crowns or better chance in the board dance where you 20-year warranty. I was so. I just say no. BBA and you can I sort out. Na BBA I find. What I say a pre-coated roofing sheet, coloring plus roofing sheet. Papa. Yeah, was Pinterest Road no so Ofie so and Chibia no do Papa restaurant. Friend any come on 0577 619 102 and of 0543 286 637. Yeah, roof expert. Ansana ye dey irrigated sports be on a kwan bia so any time no kobat ese tu ho fuka kra na fe to aso. Happy birthday, Nkoma Mami Ajwa Sewa of Abosio Kain. From your daughter, Jennifer. Akosia Apia. Adum News. Right, quickly, and now somewhere due to your own phone war, Bro Focus and say, never argue your way out of every situation. Admit it when you are wrong. Do the necessary corrections and move on with your life. Never argue your way out of every situation. Admit it when you are wrong. Do the necessary corrections and move on with your life. And ya bibia na be ya na person na die ntia me ye ni senti na me ye ni se na bibia person chichimuana will justify why this happened this way and that way and that there be na ho achinye den za there be ehunya ade no wanye ni ye agitum se wanye ni ye ade no ye mfom so agitum se ye mfom so ade we de ha we de otum se mati gitum sa accept no se we de anko ye ye mfom so na baaye na esua bibi e wo sa mfom so na wo ye nim ana de wo ye na anko ye nim na niema bi ese wo tenetre no se de be ya next time e ma sa biem no wa tenetre sa na mani na wato aso akwanim eno and your friends are Bobrano. And yes, I deal with it, and Yasu, would you show one kutupa, say, na me, pass, I didn't debate, and you're boy in a year and a year day. Bedget, yes, ya. Instead, so best you be a few from Swan by one a mistake now, yeah, no more. Now, what correctors are mistakes, Nina, said they are going for it, no, on some questions I didn't be, then you are there arguing. A bassa and warm my to me and coin. So, once again, never argue your way out of every situation. Admit it when you are wrong. Do the necessary corrections and move on with your life. We need someone and edit to you for mighty power. What's yes, Wopoti? Come pa, unya bisa. Etu hu ya de na e de amount na also why you free come pa. You don't want to so much ya sene and they mighty power tonic and then the capsules no how bit me aboa be improve more weak sexually no circulate blood no so come pa yi mu fini na purify no na bibia fine hwa de ohunu ye joint ne ade o ya de na ebekọ koko di unya e pai say ya echen oba okwa fichi obi de etimi ye ne hene bekeka no sa ne ade a mighty power expires ointment e be shina se apopro ni na afi area ho na so ho atimi ato when your mighty power keep fit laxative and then the capsules e wo ho no mo eno no wunya bia wono mo a e sansan wo yam wow ye mo atim na bare wo kohwe small room abe chimu ade e mai eno no wunya bi pa e sansan ye mo koya hey na chese effortless bibia ba be se akona watimi ai free and ye wo mighty power hair cream so utimi ununu na tetene tutu na ebubu ni ade e ho ai mu ma se twom ni na abekọ na utimi na fu ebrum fefefe kama wafa ho fe papa bi e de abo life na bibia akoye e de ama ye do mo so ase ubenya product ni na bi e wo pharmacy ni herbal shops awdo ni nem dodo pa no Mighty Power Company echi akwan wa bra from 0243 122 192 na 0242 725 Mighty Power was yes wopoti afetie ye koyechi kan pa no muso obi wa se all time choosing ye wo sen pro we dia wa ye den choosing ye na yakofa body tree ni abobo so ma no na ese sapo no na fe ye de ibidie ya yam bidie de aka ho ne de bombs ya ne de choose no so se gidi boss wanum na etum wodi so be ru wanum awi na sin na ye se fita na wanum so atwan enu ne nei Kojak farmer for asan kofa de aba ye friend Kojak charcoal toothpaste na sa charcoal toothpaste when the omni say we no a challenge family bia wo de obi an to ba ko fan koto fie aside your usual toothpaste na mudi twimusi no to charcoal toothpaste ya Kojak for akofa de aba ba ko Kojak charcoal toothpaste now there you 1 week is you on a catch your family members ni na say this week there ye nyina ye use Kojak charcoal toothpaste de atwe se ne ahwa de mutwimusi after 1 week ni we are o de mo amon trust na mo assess mo sen enu monum conditions na mo hwa de if you okonyo obi a de betum fo se mo sesam mo use de akani na abim nemum Kojak charcoal toothpaste eno ene be boa mo na body mu nyanse mu hwe mu fo yetimi ahwe mu ahu se ebidie ne niam bi wo mu aboa won nipa desani enu ho yie pa eno no etisa da chemicals de yie eno no wodi twi na na mo bi nso a here says almost no one no so bomb by ye dwuma bi de boa no enkunkum mo nyina na betimi ahwe na bomb so ho ban no so trust wa yo modwuma na emu no e mo wonu mu ate wan kama asama sin aye cray white kama pa it is on number bia ni umzampa udi wanu ni bibia etwa yi nti obi ampa bi akira kwan na on use wa otan no coffee pa ana tea pa oh ebizu do ware besia ne ade a wo sin se de ayi obi wa red wine wa wia ena kofo bi no so pe colored foods ni ade a aya na a stain omose no wo sa no unya Kojak charcoal toothpaste ya ebe clear ni nyina na bibia fine available or pharmacy shops to do on them but Kojak farmer over here in Chicago Kanshi drug lane now binyano to do mpa now so to be a cotton 0249 209 920 afi 0244 674 400 FD I ain't crowd to mu hwemu agiatum say correct how be any echi no ya this year na fi yama yen mentor kasa na ya bi ekwam na enkomo no so no yet media atraso eno irrigated sports a team patcho mental already kangumwe na yenko enim.
Fellow Ghanaians, brothers and sisters, this is Hassan Ayerga. Keep listening. Irrigated sports, it's real sports, best for you, good for you.
Oh, we say pena crobeton so aso nimu.
Well, please, Irrigated sports. A perfect program, perfect engaging, and perfect unexpected. Irrigated sports. Papa. So listen to Irrigated stuff. You grow old and you die old. Thank you.
Sofo Kumchacha.
My name is Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening Alligators Sport on Adom FM 106.3 FM. So you listen, Prophet Kumchacha. I'm listening and I'm here. God bless you.
God bless you too, Sofo. Sisi Chum.
Other for me didn't this Sisi Chum. Na de bia miti Irrigated sports. There's no day minti Irrigated because miti manage na me stress
No. Shatta.
This is Shatta Wale right from the Shatta movement and you're listening to Irrigated sports. Lock it down. Block.
Kwame akwaba.
Wakume Joso.
Bibi aboko de.
Anyamia ya dum ya tempo anu de. Ni atia nwanwa za. Akwa visa me share video no play crash ni video no. Say da bia no ya birthday mami o. Ni nyeja mo kra. Ba wo so nipa no.
Na say no say de o ye na say de o unshile no but afi de o ho agi bi wo.
Fie na me say da koto me boas.
Na obo achire.
Bo achire video se doso.
Dabi tie. Ma min and clarify say we. Videos na circulate no. Enye ni nyina na ye sa ET302 flight no. Dabi.
Ebi e plane for.
Ebi omo a plane dada but enye we dey no.
But nyina ye plane.
Ba ku bi o tie. Eno na an crash. Eno no omo experience here you kakra and ntie my omo unse when you inject by my mom de gas no share omo yeah but eno nye de ehwe from we say no but for several videos no did na ba ku bi say no say omo bompai na and God you God of the frafasa
kwaku enye boko kwaku
enye boko za odio
say some na so as a pilot say anuanom
we there o kan ayi na wa kai me ma me kan say mi na e ha me pa enra me ko airport oh ade bi wa ye kan ya no mdwe
Kotoka International Airport
na Ghana Airport Company say mutimi hwe nema bi because anema bi ho no a ensi wa brochiri se wo ho che wo ba bi a the way a ebia ebe assist we ebe boa ne ade no ye ha no medu ba bia no wo ye me nema hadwe
I will be so bad because my mistake
say me de enema egu me car boot mu and now say me use remote and am DBA boot but I say use remote DBA car ne trunk na BA doors na kasa doors no dey BA yo egu say lock eti me de nema ne hyemu no and na me car ne key ne say kura me and na eto boot no ohu and na Saturday de nema na hyemu ne me two boot no eti key na ka na car ne doors no say lock so ohu
two lock key no
but na a ticket na me de be pay from the airport to gusu kura me and I know so utu akawia after 20 minutes utimi san fam pie bi my best spy just was saying to for enti me call na mko ka chem say asem say na ato me
problem ato me ni
enti me ka ni ki na ka me wa matua sesia na me mo amu te sesia na betua ska no ha me ko enti no mo betimi na airport authorities na kasa and mo ni department bi a e ba ni say you betimi aboa me to get my keys from the car na so Bibia said you wanna me ko hu airport taxi drivers na reso betimi aboa me I mean how a whole airport waiting was me ko hu taxi drivers na reso betimi aboa me o de no de emfa say me problem now me catch you say okay so ticket na de no ye ben den so say dem me kwa because a cha also okay we give it to me let me write the time or short time you also okay so you go if you are able to do it I will call them and I'll tell them and I'm see you yeah the debate 2 hours Kophobia be kofran kofobia be kiki kombe ya kai ye bu ani ba bia omu ye bibia omtimi ye ya
ka papa me ka ni bia na so de bo ahwe ase o kum na bie o se mo mpeka mo papo bo ya
finally ye timi wie bibia no me kwa me du a ye say adna expa me timi fan pie vie poto me sign back na ko ya me say oh lady na say me buy me no be kasa wa de so okay give me the card oje card na wasa de ahwe machine o wie o say 15 cedis not 15 cedis. I have paid 15 cedis that.
Na manya problem.
What's the essence of come to report that to come and make no so I say but me I can't do anything about it so you have to pay again. Why? They are using me wa a baby. Because one report to I didn't see and one report and this is a clear case or problem when ya say can you say by say come to an army
them say approach the crank 1 year perform more febe
there be Chrome said you
on wato kwaku airport one another problem and crofo bi grosoro ho wa mo beggars some paduma na munya aduma no yemra krom mesres ska boga fona catch them na machine na my say me moso
unim say
atwa ho video ato na post 2 years
ti ba we ka ba ku video
at the straight foot and time
ade bi so say na ni ye mu so unim say finally o mom team be boy ma o bebie no ma mi bi to ha o stress ade o ka ko ona ha no say abrante ma bi wo ha nkrofo de ka mu say o mutim yenti
okay
but oko enti obi be twam ana me shono ni pa kunu na mebisa na menya number no enti no aso
mami de ono de o abontin no seska we de adwuma ye for ya fa omo airport wo workers ye ti omo ka boso me ana omo de adesre aka ho adwuma ne ho
e ka say
time egu o man animu ase ana omo ni obuni no mo bibini they are begging money from everybody
wow
what you say they are begging money from everybody obi ayi wo kwatua ye mo airport o makatua ye so what is the begging for obi o kwese money see because they me per dollar it is not nice. It is not nice. The workers, they should stop those things. Who they say American, who they overcome from some brochure for Rebecca. I idea how much being power, but on all how you know quite if you Rebecca beam.
Yeah.
Everybody is begging you for money.
It's not nice.
If you want to give money, different. Me, for example, when people are begging me for money, I'm really bad. But sometimes I give when I want to give. Just like Kwaku, or back a crown, I would see Obi Naso. I say, oh, or train airports, I don't know the back, let's me Naso, my Miss Kakra. And you're fair, a good man anymore. foreigners ba nyina won how no say per bribe no kwaku that is why who say say o man me come crowd here obi abetimi age bribe because I come to the airport, I'm pushing my bag, you decide to push it for me as a worker and you be do kana na me contract what me charge you obo yeah Mama say when yana I ask for and some of them today are begging for nothing. Meaning say brofuna makan dia onye hwema akra na person disika wo because what bagana na wo go through you are showing your papers and other things na omo begging for money and nice and no empty koda baku
ebeda
na wo kasa apart from say oya color white for color part
wa ba be trance na ba bia ti dey there na o be trance Jai. Why yes, I'll make us a 1 year of Baba. Ayi program you program you are program. Ayi Baba Christina and Umi Ababa. No make you say baby better no better on champ. My God is Baba. E do table one or table 2. Tell your bench. Roger. My God is over. Oh, so wife. Why more fine. Oh, you are fantastic. And that's all your gospel artist party I can. I was your Oja by joining no I get it no. You can see a board of directors are stakeholder. Why your chairman now? No, Kwanso the pro. Ne me. And I mean, why your chairman bed deputy? You about call there. Right. The Nyamia. Oh, you try to call. Obia slow scar airport.
Ghana.
Aye.
No. Ghana
Obian slow scar.
Many be not mama tip, but me said that mommy can say mammy scanner visa. But before we do airport, one almost repair.
Quite from where the information me say what can Sanka say what's wrong. And I beg you.
Okay, media ebia nyame my channel me 2 point e be me do one na me.
What can say you be am outside?
Tell me 2 point na me ba no one na ma bie airport arrive on me 5 minutes
go in the onya coming on.
I have had a lot of complaints. There be a some kind of referee.
Where's I dey say
unsa me dey me bogus friend me bogus na for almost so do one na for say as mo nimbo for me dey be show I am approach this anyone in you
find something
find something
I want bro you say
pebble bishop
almost ticket
instigate no go bo be instigate aye kutupa
approach Saturday na nya common say bia wa office bia ko adwuma then anya tipo
we are so man ko onje no that's my job
it omo ba say na ye dey yatua say me say police jama kra me man nkasa every time kai so when here pa dey obenya for
me ga adabe police ni be cheme na me hear say I didn't know they cheme na it was something flimsy na yari me hear cars sabi Allah chabini bagada bi echoma ana me ka police ni say hwe me kai ya wo to atini
Shadi ya ko
kan kwa na mabo Oscar Jabe say kromfo na dey ache no enti wan say wa cheme na dey say ni aka no omo ties ni ase ohura le
tie bandex who wants to take my position as chairman of Alligator Sports? He can't do this in Afghanistan.
I'm a deputy chairman. Bandits there, no go area. No one the chairman.
Brian, is
police. Okase, where that? We say first week. I think it was me refer the exact date no. Na afeda unse ura ye nuna first near holiday it james say second na
holiday mpo
the second day omo ye adwuma second January no omo ye adwuma eti second January na ya license se car bibia yeah set then policeman ejina car no ahwe fire extinguisher who's that oh yeah a can from so almost any money brand new or say triangle in the bibia afi no first aid box afi first aid box no afi na they na me some pen temono no ohwemani no ya for him now
that's slippers
why are you driving with this go and park and come officer and she just say share now person
Now just listen.
what be say I
What's
no
no the car you want about the home
and then oh there be
any offense.
o say adetina me share
how do I am na your offense
you know me ko park car no na me say when am say me ko park na me say mra and then do be kan ya chempe na because me share slippers me ko park na me say
bra
was no, you go into the car and come. I'm saying, no, if I go to the car, I will move and I will come back again.
You speed off.
But police phone so ebi ya baby mu so ebi mu go adwuma ne mas. We madam ba kwase police phone you read na chidi ne ko ATM man ko use scam. Yes last week.
Last week.
Asi mobile money no see there be scanning is on there. Ko ATM industrial area no ko use scam dem.
I say what about there is saying is true.
Oh, could mean don't throw.
The German in the back. You to am ageno. Am ageno pa.
Ebi no say fine. Ebi fine.
Oh,
Sam Lu ono so on there. China kwaniaba no dia. O say you it's a shameful attitude.
I am embarrassing.
About folks at the airport, especially the ladies.
Oh, when you
oh, also this is what they do both at departure and even arrivals. Oh,
Sadia no ye kro ma ya fa bibia keke hwe se bia security man kra wo ba bi na djuma ne so hwe ma cars park wako park ka kotu no say ma misika when I say
but that's what he's paid for.
That's why you are there.
Yeah.
Sane man kitikiti ni mo man koso what you say hwe obroni
so one are willingly who person here grad they again but when ebe say onipa na force
yes man na wo because me mu na mo nim kwaku dia obi so be ma me evidence aba bi dey was the video mo ni nyama
say last be am tu kwan
say obi so no man na mu na nim
be say last be am tu kwan ba na me ho fa me timi angaza hu mani mo ebusa na me duwe na me de me passport na to na
last Dubai na ko yin
afi me aden sre kakre aden na I said
madam for
then I said they were money and I said please I am not well. Oh okay sorry.
Gausri ya no dey o. Gausri ya pra wano ya fine no obeje o. Anya fine. Anya fine. Wo say crofo ni musa na dey on fa ma so. Because onim say o je dey. But o hwe wani mu na ye yo.
Unu say me passport mu ye ntro o je wo mu. Nti wo hon ma hwe passport no obi ma am say ah. Na visa be bre wo passport. I don't know how to am say
we don't go je na ko re mo se bi ni fa to
now na won kan and I'm brother me usem see dia mema obi usem see dia me so pa di ma me film akoma na me
oh yeah
obi o timu se ni power ade obi timi afford no time stamp
ma me see ni bia
e bo am say o first album na o second album na o
third album
was me penning na and I was saying
me there you guys say trend release new one na
that was my mentor chira
na GMP na ba ya man kwa kuna me colors one asem apart from so we are white for Adam color part no favorite color you dey white na your favorite
color did that na talk white yeah I love white but say you white few on more see blue color bin so manage ho pa
and you girlfriend now ko top pants man na better white color
omo ade some title white in that
and the white na
e ba hu say majority na pay white
well good now we dey hu say majority na pay white
oh
asem a ko wirem
ukọ ukọ shop e top pants netimi me to me road dross da
obi aniwa na ko
the dross color okay fine yenyi shop dey me to nche me to di me road dross da ba bia ma tifi adu yi how be say me ate we ya
white more sana be say o chi
I my white more baka eno ano no
asem
ade me road dross down come out. That's nothing. I do why we are not getting to money trading more. Not your boxes.
Oh, okay.
But who's all car shops? Now most of the pants white.
Oh, pants the answer recently. The color supposed to be white, and then it was fitter and it was fitter. Who's a mostly a shower? Oh, quite cool.
Yeah, grow you.
No, who's what is the color of singlet?
White. Yeah, I can't do it. Ideally, white. I come on.
Underwear, no. Apart from say you use white, you use white. And say white your color be and heat. So what you say?
Yeah.
And she say, "Crown me who care or share a red pants near the other. But you heard enemy year pass. To the heating and I'm going. Would you be pay? I guess you."
we are shall idea over a junior waiting.
We do locomotive engine and or there may be a dress because the other colors no heat white and so enter. Kwaku don't make a white on them, and they make red one them. The Nina a color part and as a man make okay. You say red color no, it's now my blood. Muja. I feel so it's now my energy. It's now my energy. I said it's now my war, it's now my danger, it's now my strength. It's now my power. Make a casa name, maybe no being and color, but a color parts. Yeah. What you say? No, they are not. That's on Yama Yakafa red more power. Now, no, so I red not yaba. But I did it also white about the eye. That's a new never so white in Tino. And I did a white in the baby. There's nowhere better color party white in Winnie because white way ample for you. They make so Jerry so. Oh, Jerry white. Oh, I know because every year we are white. Namia Gangama on the so. It's be a chose. How do you do? Now, Mr. Nakwam, and came here. I'm so on the wash of Taba. First Nanka red. I also for doing to me now. So I shift to go white as a when you are a year, as some Ayaka afa red. And you must have been I don't guess I have black. Calabana version. Mia, color white too. White, it is a one who has a man. But normally, no, I have white winning last year, yeah, no, white on the doors. And a white also a color beer force to say, come here, you white. I know, I am not one from. Now, it's not about to one crab. Oh, there's one trans you. Now, I will tell you when you haven't just yet. Or be the beer because I was so could be. And you may walk out some more cawasm. There will be bang, all cawasm. No problem, me brother. Look at us in the plan. I have passport. I'm glad they're 10 years. I'm Breno. Kwaku, or be top passport from 15 cities. Yeah, I am here 15 cities. Listen, no embassy. The boy is me bombs now. I found them time on my Kwaku na ekumasi asante kotoko. Coach no why not be said be obedi nkugu bia no wasamka. Kotoko fonso train say sade no mompe. Sade no mompe kra. But we know the train say enyema bi na anko yema kumasa asante. Na man kasa come surprise. Na since you share on last Sunday no they have not been able to recover. Yeah, some na kind of. Yeah, number 1-1 will home after the win. 1-1 will home. Now say a draw on boy. Kwaku emi dey lose mama. When you say football you mean send. Win draw. Lose. And then your birthday, and our birthday next year. And then your birthday. Oh, fantastic sign. First, you are baby. Happy birthday to you, what? What worry? When you say birthday, say, when you say, you talk also the kakra to say, when you are party, when you are doing, say, me banana muze ubutuswa and say, shine to who say, but the uniquanos. Oh, that a ina dia bayana, and I'm saying, birthday no. O say na I say when you should be any kakra je ne odi but ya na eni simple kwa na so de omrana meaning that true say ni o tena no true say ni wa pon ya obi atwam a birthday duan na bo what do you need to that money let me go for no my light of it say wa nyamisha wa nyamisha o ware ye wa hu nyankopon ni oba papa mama wonu so white ni bebre so but wa white ni bi da wa hu your favorite color again? Black. Red. What about the one? Number 9. Yeah, Simni. Number 9. My opinion is that I am power. Say I before party coco. We just some me of that. I say we are. Oh, cover the best of the queen. I don't answer question. I said we are. Oh, cover the best of the queen. Me kuya no say. I said we no. And no make us a street a year but I want to be sure say I am pa. On no support no mo parent. That's all no crowd best house no. That's all about best house. On blue, blue. I'm training no na no parent. No baby no dey akofa. But am be kasa o. Baby. Yeah now say
efufu na ya na one type a chair round because one type
anyway in the match and no
ba no kwa Nigeria tribes bi mo pepa
ready yesu
na opani ni just say if you say mo boss draw no they are still
Elvis Ochiawo OG Elvis Atlanta Georgia
Atlanta Atlanta Georgia
titinia fama hwan
o de fasiwa
bisa no no
America for tax o meka ax
be o mani o
yo ko tie
America for nkati
wo de tie o ono no ote ho no bisa no wo call Germany na me yeso fa Hanover na eye yi kakra mai ukoba ya na ade na me so me ya me bo achiram so jo ade no VV omo kan sa no mo kan Hanover na ye ka ye kan Hanover oso de Hanover na obeka
Hanover
ai besi na ogusu kan Hanover na ne Atlanta ne ne ato de na alana
ba kro so ya tabo me de pa bibi Bremen
but
any team na wo de friends team
Veda
Bremen
and so spelling here weather I know we can't dodge well no
Dutch Welle
Dutch Vela
was it Dutch Welle
I say was alcohol
Rochester
enti coach kotoko coach say
Rochester Worcester
na o ka de Worcester
but that spelling mo mpa de Charlie mom spelling ba that Worcester spelling de enya crowd o ka so spell Worcester na ka sa part you say obedi
ai crowd so I was one
and Ohio so
Ohio kwada me amaka bi wa hada Iowa kwaku
na minim se nkuru bi Africa ha omtutu din rough na manya ntobase we Republic of Namibia national ID card na Namibia fo bia me hu omudin no in fact Ghana ha na ise ya pa brofo se ma hu on ma brofo din akese na otome ba ntidin bia pio ha so ani je ho de a we crowd Zambia ni within the tembo doesn't matter and the same name ni tembo
and I'm time na ko say you have voter for
and then the uncle view
woni say na mo an obi bia yi branches ni na mfa bia nko voter
aden
oni dike obi na nko bia
so was nka ho na discuss ya ka bet
ye ni agro ho sa
ye ni obi sika asa etimes go ni branch for voter
o de ye na we su di no inauguration Zulu
aba
inauguration
ni di no the brofu di inauguration na ni say name is Zulu na we su di no Sakala because
Sakala because
na we di ni the pokradi anyway beyond repair
anybody no beyond repair and na we did them
beyond repair ngogo
beyond repairs nobody didn't hear that
ababa ku so ha odo say Elena happy birthday
on the Debias would ni
public of them
Namibia
and then you go
Sakaria Elena happy birthday
okay bo we so here there was
Edward roadblock
and was he crying
back here was here
no more war
no more war
na you say name na one
impinge no
impinge no more war
oh edi de bebrabe
what to be bia odin
oh yeah
say betim bia odin
akwa we hwe ni din
say it say it say unza we
why god
we also we no more what no more war say Ghana so odin bi to say ankwana there's also
baby akon senka we dey come from
obi beto Ghana din say nyame aden say Jodeka why god
so
we say you this
Amakali
Emmanuel very important PSC
and I said it in your sentence
I can't say
Emmanuel very important person
I can't say
But who better be there?
And then another birthday. I love you, Becky. Becky me do.
I am the beautiful dear, my beautiful
Becky.
Rebecca.
Now we are state of the nation address in Unia Ekotuan. Who's that?
Son and only watching you.
Who's the wife? The wife no top crashing opening tea. Opening here, I would do one more sakra. And no 2 sound man. President be a
Papa will be a hamburger bridge, my friend Ellen. And I'm going to change your specs, Navy, or say Jerry is right, wife.
I'm a right one.
If you to Fitana or can't want some, I don't want to ship you to Fitana, so you're right.
Or say a friend.
I think I'll pay the or is a
but almost had almost Sakala.
Or is it come and go? Black.
Almost red and black. It told me I won't read the question.
See, baby, so I say,
white, okay.
See, baby.
Let's say, I'm up for a new one dance here.
Oh, yeah,
maybe one. Almost we are some
majority now.
Baku, I'm a ton of Monosano.
Media and a white
man. I'm a ton of Monosano, which is
but going at the
Kagumoisa. They don't know. I lost Vitan, they don't know what I could say. I said, Man, turn baby, Sana, which means senior Sunday, we will see a mama. I'm in the pay woman in it. I added that the woman had to have free jet. Free jet, you forgot to draw Zion. Now, Baku draws try to near at our Mazo. Kakuna, Adebia Magrego, why dear?
Answer about
Magregos, no.
I say, mine so come majority. Guru, a granting check, me say, me person my get this one a grant. Right, come on.
That's a PM.
It's a no cry for me.
I saw my 16 Adam.
And no behind shed bros with again.
Oh, but no, where is street facts? They say Madonna and shed bros.
Who he has over
public side.
Okay, what can I do? But that is not far from the truth.
Don't
do now say no because of the nature of because of the nature of Italian and Wishano.
The man can't be so crowny guru. And so,
but okay, Kwaku, a bit of a guru, so I find an issue because they drops you are bar. So fetch the no so. If you take it from the back, you won't see anything because we be any actually.
I a plaster a family woman as a
telling you what
the plaster is woman.
I know a engine in Kwanso, it's not empty. They say, I'm a free string about old string, only telling you how to wear old string.
I do.
Kwaku. Nana me come agree with some. Who's a chroma say? Nana me too fast on my economic. Let me 2 at for for say, yeah, Sabi, yeah, celebrities near the other.
Yes, because I'm back or the name of a celebrity, Newcastle.
Oh, where Louis
Vuitton.
She was in Louis.
Go tell me no coin.
Louis Vuitton. And yet, small bag.
Yes, so.
I know who's so crabby with a sledge. So only sledge. Yeah. Shut you 1.5 million. I know who's who could bag with in packet.
Kwaku, Namika is a branch. May Namika say fans not to be a wish. I want to was my
fans.
Will be our fans. Namin, I don't know what we are. Obi 3 months or more. Yeah, I full party.
Also, more stage in this.
Oh, from I never watch. Well, and no also, that's who to so. I am one about I don't be a nabot and not my good genie phone free some. Or it won't with tears or sometimes. But I brought you ultimate needs and food and so you're superstar. Until a report to you. Into our fear, ordinary my birthdays and I put 14 war. And you come one. I want sort of phone almost $1,000. 779. Enti is out there, Magrigo, and show us one country.
We in yes, Kavia, my so
but I told her be a quaku, depending between me and a brosso.
A foot to know to be near Sano and the Lumba. Until then I
no, you want to sing into the mic.
I can say. Every to me, I now
open UBS and now.
Oh, me.
Okay, say mo sorry dey am for no.
E bi no cry here. Gospel for.
Oye man bro so me ma washa no.
You yeah. Fans here shia bontin. Obu a wo shia wa. Said your be no. Obechia when we twa picture keke bi kwa no obi kura di nkomo onya botre ba se ba fo gidi botre keke kwa na botre
and man can tamba oh me wo hono man na young man bi o takra de o so wa draw me na me hear give takra na serious
sao
or the send him Facebook man me hu actual painting na mudi ho dance na mo hwe se bia or draw me na semia na mo hu na mo
opani unwrap it
oje photo bi man no
na ka
adom ne odo video no
and there na
makwa ko mani
that was a man here chum ni
adumo
and I know na video bi save na me hear am say
unwrap it and let's see say
they said obi draw no hwe ni akwa bi
aya ade e wro de eja hwe what have
Papa Bess yam ro de
oh wow
this is beautiful
wow you did it yourself oh yo
wow
what talent
talent
yes
talent what a talent
oh
what a tyrant
oh
what a tyrant
oh I had it
you so much talent man
ania fa che ojo
hey Mr. I don't say or show wow because oje
pink man for
pink man and I feel corner but and you say we be agusu ama
man no metafre
ampa utafre pink and I tight afre
no anu nya pink you
oh devil na
say no nya ne dia oni obi na eche
I didn't friction
I'm ready for so nem fefe there
me you
amuti basim kwa no mo fefe
oh nice
I didn't hear you
oh wait
what a talent oh yes
Mrs. Adoy no
it's a talent
now buy you mean one and
it's a talent thing
mo top this down
opening this one in
the draw mu nyina yeah
wait there
and no pictures be man na
man can no
na ya o de aba
da bia kwa me opani aya ko Facebook won obakwa me oba de a pictures no bebre no wayi de open no draw what na de aba we nipa say wa ya de papa how many years 22 years you are still young
what do any kind of draw there the body
the process
Jesus rasta for pan
man kasa yo
the African in crop for
yeah process Felix Muzaka Muzaka na enti what no udin you use here then Felix Gallery. Okay. Enti amount for person who on social media, saying like on Instagram and I don't know what me actual works nibia.
And Felix Muzaka.
Muzaka no spell it.
Cannot spell the
MODZAKA.
Hey.
MODZ
straight to
okay. Why are they?
Okay. Wait me do contact number to the amount for person because do munyasa mo be fry yi mo friend na mo man job na over because
wama wo je kills so
so man o man look you me patro bon number na man phone ya
kills na dia ma oje no say wo draw me a
o man
me bie
wa pampa mu aso like
kills ene ya na
okay bon number no
your number is 057 869 1893 057 869 1893.
I say una package this year correct.
Great.
Instagram.
Oh, nice.
Oh, okay.
But Jerry dey be mo draw full picture. Me picture bi o me be ma.
Na ade draw you draw bi na wo da come picture. And also mama no cast there no.
Oh, full picture. Oh,
can we? Mubarak. Hello, Mubarak.
Hello, Black Jelly.
Say.
Because so here, Nicasa, Black Jelly.
And you may be giant.
Black Jelly, because I have a new town, Black Jelly, Accra, New Town.
Okay, young quay.
Correct. Now, that's Ufri, some traffic lights or finding Demuta, and over New Town. Finding Demua, what you better say. Traffic any tapano so find it for correct papa bills anymore. Nemo mbra we agriculture ADB brother ADB
ADB na ye
udru asana bedru traffic na ta akwaku piemu abepa ye asana bedru eye nima junction kasa ho na traffic no aya anu aye din ho ye pa ndefi ye ADB eba be piemu awo nima junction traffic na no aye din ye pa na mo mefi nima junction na so edwa ko piemu awo ye pick farm so brother traffic na etwa musa nti nya sa ye ne se so you be aye o ko pick farm na sa o mpesa obepa eye new tower now say you say Joy FM anymore no traffic no so I know the kakra ho we say wo fa ho I know the kakra na mo beti na afọ mako na mo say you say one man ya wo ba new town first junction on your left one man ya free Joy FM traffic light no wo ba new town first junction on your left so fast akwan no so do ba ko si mo akwa ko pie mu aye kwan na aye say ne ko aye car price no o man ko amen ko car price go straight wo ba ko pie mu awo aye bank Ghana Commercial Bank and you want to say what was now cover be our quality bravery any other traffic situation be energy then yeah but that was it baby
yes we that's pa Mubarak Akubinetinka Charlie nyame adom Saturday we are bay Saturday yes baby birthday Charlie birthday ni twatwa so Friday Nana friend for my birthday. Saturday, see baby. A birthday. And a Sunday, Mrs. Azu birthday. And you know, Sunday, you better call wrong. You better call. Me feel here, pa. Me cry. You could some mammy. You think about it ways we better come pa. We you better Sunday by 5 na just I set it. Oh, Thomas one. Yeah. Okay. You know. And then my younger sister. I'm on for the birthday. I'm for the Waware.
Ade. Ibete mi hunu.
Ade na wan misa.
No nipa yi da bi na wo to we say wawa na.
Ade. Eju ware ni chance of bisa so bia ware na. Kwa me si waware na. Una
na ze una fie yi.
Forget Moisha. Uni aba na waware.
Ai waware.
Asem.
Na we adom Saturday color party. Na ye to Safra do phone na. Bacho anopa 9 na dwumadi na hia se. This year from 4 going no. Me twa picture bia ti mo ampesa mo ba mo ne betwetwa pictures na mo mrantem na nim na sa da bi sa ebedu last year na eya na adwunu ti no pictures mama fo twa mbe yusu flashlight no afa mi wie no mani
wani ase bai fo no
sa obi atwa nipa eti wie pa bo se afa na mani su na me hwa dia no mani su
aya omo fan tren asa no me da to social media
ba ku bia mu hia from say bia jeri pe ni
eti we de branch on person mi twa picture eti anopa 9 na
anopa ne mu ye na no mo
na ya e bibia fa because edu na do flash na ha mani pa
Tembia baby am nim betwa
eti mo mo de am branch na bibia so enye fine
abante o se Felix day
ni dini de no na be bo
so wa brother Sami na draw no be ka oje o so pa
because anum to fo okromo yam yenu pe oje ni brother Sami utimi draw oje a draw
brother nation worshiper I draw no be ka
my God
is opa so be okroma dia
oje bet you message we fi bandex in chain o si oje be careful pa. They are all saying wow in the studio because
you are there.
Banders not you.
Come on.
Oh, Banders by way there fe.
Chatawale die o modro e
wo. To chatta de no.
Chatta de anima na edin. Anya artist na ye chatta de no wan kasa nim se na anima edin.
Enda wo nim za so modro a ombre.
Kwaku em say omo the education kakra bia ba omo say dark colors omo say white dark colors no for other cross
your first that can man lucky about lucky about products yan patcho obomodin amount can lucky herbal bitters now the lucky cold capsules ne kan one eno de be men na ube gina na so cream pekopekora be wan face pals so how adwen ekuku ebetu ase de amount and lucky about mixture no so there. It is for the treatment of malaria fever. The science of bois emma or blood needs to circulate pa. And your lucky VK mixture. Oba we ne be ya himfie wadwuma asiesi wo me ho na aye clean and can born ne ade ade wo nyina so no ni na etu betwa bia be friend be me na bawa de o kwa ni kanika sa ne ade ade ha chese bibia e fine no we no eye ebe mo wash white and they ko ye my part to me but we no eye purely herbal yeah, brof Rubian from the end organa ya lucky about center gumwa ugwakrum FD phone so emu aja tum say correct pa phrase 0243 201 244 na fe 0277 465 855. And yes, that's why when you check Repatch Ventures or Kanshi Drug Lane, the do be on here beyond Sabekan. Lucky about or say what yeah, lucky. You don't want to say now Eddie Diaka atras and come here.
Bisania Grono, Nasa Unimedia on said you, and Untina Metre with Lucky Herba Clinic. No, Nashasa Bama Sami Pana Coco, a Jimmy Sisia Boss Lamin to me, Bergman Yewampum. Now I want so a bommy. Hey, Lucky Herba. Nadia Maya Lucky. Yadia Bang and I call Lucky Herba. Lucky Herba, and me answer. Say your diabetes, say your stroke, Yadia, say your hepatitis, and no Yadia, Oba, and answer Bema. Tiadia Crown Crow, and now infertility. Ninano Lucky Herba Clinic, a bet me aquama. Lucky Herba, Diabo trading Fidi, Pabaya Unipedomu Hishamu, and who Yariani Debi draw Cradian to us here, and the Yabo Professor Nobu Steven Yabua Basube Breno. Lucky Herba headquarters, Ewo Gomo Okwakrom, Junction near Gunaso do Quantum Ponoso, or Masai one Crabata, I would do a Dumianu our Gun Hanamo. From our 0243 201244 and now 0277 465855. Lucky Herba Clinic. Why you lucky?
Mighty Power Tonic Esihopoti Manuma me Huayefe Mighty Power Cream Masroma me Ridia Trum Mighty Power Hair Food Amma Mitinia ye Fesa Stretch Yahuma Mighty Power Laxative Ahu Rumeyam Ayimi Yam Finina Sankai Boy FDA Ajiatu
Enna bluebird no to ko riem a eye blue fe no mu na okwechire ton ane blue emra ye say no wo mo fresh mu enye mreketwa sesei ubetumi de mre ahye won edidie mu nso hwehwe Cerelac fofra Iron Plus wo mu a eboa ma mo franyini ntem Nestle Cerelac big nutrition for small tummies.
Enkratwe FDA for Ajiatu.
Fisibra me shase num glenty. En so fi ase huru me kettle mo pe na mansa de ote be me no. Eyi ni.
Hey, me nuanie. Me se me te wo kettle nen kafe na me hu se mraso se wo se me be pe uti ni bi gu me no.
Wo no wonim nanti ampa.
Nanti a de me nim bi pa. Was kwanitia. Na se nan so 4 cups.
4 cups ben. Eyi me no pe.
Oh, na so dim se me de 2 cups. Nemom e ma ora fi anta bebre se o te se wo kettle ni super.
Hey, man kind
na wa ba.
Ave glenty fufro kraba. Ninkas runko e card off no bom no. Aben wo shop e wo mpotemu ho. Nkai boy Food and Drugs Authority agiatum du wonsa hyase. Minua aden. Wo ye adwuma kakra no abrana. Ana wanu mato. Enti bo awaduane a opepa afede wontumi ndiana. Aso ebe nya sa obehye wapomudi mu piana. Viral Blood Tonic eye mojadru a ede afensu wode iron any vitamin ahyemu ma se be enti eboa waduane die ema wa hoɔden de bo adwuma kama Viral eboa mo asebi mo ye adwuma kakra na wa abre Viral Blood Tonic ne fa nye de nkura esanso bua busia mu ni nyina Viral eka item drug nro no ho bi FDA ahwehwɛ se adwadi nkra to yi mu agye atomu se ye
Color party color party all about Ofie Kwanso the assemble from home. I remix. The good year the Kenika would be brain as Shemukina. I am family edition. Breaking the Kiankasa, sending an show of favorite presenter colors and Rami and Yen. Yapaya cooking competition. Never Bolutu, Dummy, Ori, and Polana Pansicasa. And the good year the Kenika P. I am to Fuakuta, my passage, Jayo. I was sending one in and dance to a Sepapia. Mobile Baggy Row, who been yet to Diakas. So, Tiatuma from Manasa Perfect. Wash out, don't TV. Once a second crab, I'm going to get free. Flash screen TV, phone, laptop, etc. And pass over the 16th March 2019. Our Fiesta Children's Park. And upon a Crocus and Humanity. I am free. Yannis Cabia. Mama and Papa. Move up while I'm shooting in Amram Yan in Nippon session. I don't color party. My worst yesterday. Mambo British. Barima. Franco Trading Enterprise. From Papa King City Real Estate. Number 1 destination for proper home. TBS roofing sheets. Roofing Papa Papa's Pizza. Taste it. Love